Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable spring watering can arrangement. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut it long enough so that I can fold it in half, lay it into my Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. The next thing that I'm going to do is take my florals to create our bouquet. So we'll lay the florals in here, lay this. So all I'm doing is just laying everything into my Bowdabra, which makes it really an easy, super way to make a floral bouquet. And obviously this works phenomenally if you're doing a bridal bouquet or any other kind of bouquet. We'll just lay these in here. Then all I have to do is take my whoops, we're going to throw everything all over here. Take my Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to pull it through my slip knot and just hold everything down, pull it out of my Bowdabra here. And I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And just for safe measure, I'm going to go around twice. And we're just going to tie it. And I'm tying it fairly tightly. So now I'm just going to clip the ends. And I'm going to put this aside. And we'll just kind of fluff everything out a little bit. And now that everything is fluffed, I'm going to put it aside. Whoops, I guess these Dollar Tree flowers kind of fall apart a little bit sometimes, but they are really great. So now we're going to make our bow, and all I'm going to do is lay my Bowdabra bow wire into my Bowdabra and tuck the ends underneath. So I'm going to take my ribbon. I just love this Emelia ribbon. And now scrunch this down. And just in case you're interested, all of the supplies that I'm using. So now what I'm going to do is take the right side of my ribbon and I'm going to lay that down. The right side's going to go down. I'm going to fold this over and we're just going to make 2 loops. Take the right side again, lay that in there and go to the center. And now we have our first 2 loops for our bow. Then what I'm going to do is take my green. And like I said, if you're interested in any of the ribbons or the lengths that we're using, all you have to do is look in the description below, and that will tell you exactly how you need to cut your ribbon and which ribbons we're using. Just going to lay that down in there. Then I'm going to take my lavender ribbon, and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm just going to lay the wrong side down so that when I bring my right side back, and then I have a tail here, and I'm going to do the same thing there, and just make sure my loops are the same size. And then I'm going to take another piece of my lavender Emelia ribbon, and we're just going to scrunch that down in there. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And then I'm going to tie a knot, tie another knot. So now what I'm going to do is take my flowers and we're going to stick them into our watering can. And then what I'm going to do here is just take one of the flowers so that so it's easy to stay in the watering can. And now let me see how my bow looks here. I'm going to kind of shape it out just a little bit. And you can see me shaping it here. And we'll shape it again a little bit once we put it in. And now I'm going to just tie this with my bow wire onto the handle. So I'll just bring this through here. And all I'm going to do is just tie it. I'm just tying a knot on the back. And I'll clip the ends here. Whoops, you can't see me doing that, but I am clipping the ends. And now let me bring everything around. So now I'm just going to finish fluffing our bow and have our flowers all fluffed out. And now you have this gorgeous spring floral arrangement that you could really just change the colors and make it for any time of year. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.